Today we are working on Excel lesson 6, the second lesson, moving and resizing charts. So this is a document you should have open up. Step 1 says, if necessary, click any blank area of the worksheet to take the chart out of editing mode. Mine's not in editing mode right now. If you click on this is what they're talking about, editing mode. So mine is not in it right now. To move a chart right after creating it, you may have to click outside of the chart before you're permitted to move it. So step 2 says click in any blank area of the column chart to put it into editing mode. So we are now into editing mode. Under chart tools, click the format tab. So right up here we're going to click format. Look in the chart elements box in the current selection group, which displays the name of the component that you selected. So it's talking about right here. Here's your current selection. So depending on where you clicked in this, it's going to change the name of whatever you've clicked. So it wants us to chart elements. If the chart element box displays a name other than chart area, click another blank until it does. So they're wanting you to click to where you find blank area, but you can also click this arrow right here and select chart area. That's what step 6 tells you to do. So mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Point to each of the 4 corners of the chart to see how the mouse changes. So when you see that it changes to the arrows when you click on each of the corners. Click and drag the bottom right corner down and outwards to make the chart bigger. So it's showing you how you can resize the chart that way. Point to each of the midpoints so you can see that each of those changes the mouse. Click the middle handle of the bottom of the chart and drag it down to make it bigger. So click right here and drag it down. Another way to resize it. Mark that as answered. Go to the next one. You can also resize and move the components inside the chart. Imagine a square box around each of these components of the chart. To move the component, you click inside the box and move it to a new location. So click in the blank area inside the legend, then drag the legend to another location of the charts, such as the middle of the column bars. This is the legend right here. So it's telling you you can click in that and you can drag that up. So you can move the legend. So let's click undo. I think I skipped step 6 in this very first one, which was click the same blank area of the chart and drag the chart so it's directly below the data. Your chart should be over here. I missed that step. Hopefully, we'll see if it fixes it when I did it that way. So, mark as answered. Go to the next one. Under Chart Tools on the Design tab in the Location group, click Move tab. So we're going to click Chart Design, and then we're going to right here, we're going to click Move Chart. It's going to open up this box. In the Move Chart dialog box, click New Sheet. So we're going to click this box, New Sheet. The chart now displays its own chart sheet. Notice the Chart 1 Worksheet tab. Oh, we got to click OK. So now it's moved the chart to its own worksheet. It says to click Sheet 1, and you see that the chart, voila, is no longer there. So I kind of messed this one up. Let's see if it gave us credit. Let's submit it. Submit results. And it did, so make sure you move that chart underneath the data and you should receive a credit for it. So this completes moving and resizing charts.